Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just a quick video on replacing the battery in a 2019 Sonata. Tools you will need: a 10 millimeter socket or wrench and a 12 millimeter for that bolt down there, the hold down bolt. So first off, battery's already disconnected, but to get access to remove it, you take this breather cover off, or inlet. It all pops out just like that, and you got two spots in the front where that sits. So I always start with the negative first. Always start with the negative. Remove the negative, 10 millimeter, pop it off, out the way. Positive, open this little cover. Trying to be difficult. Same little 10 millimeter bolt. Loose it up, pull it straight up, slide everything to the side. Now, we're gonna remove that battery hold down. Make sure we got this going the right direction for us. That thing out like that. Just taking the bolt off. Put that somewhere safe out of the way. Grab your battery and pull it out just like that. The little blanket thing will be okay. So what you should see underneath is just that right there. All right, if you got any questions, as always, continue to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And it goes in the opposite way as I took it out. But just in case you need to see that, I'm gonna do it real fast for you. And these particular cars require an AGM battery because it uses a lot of voltage to run the systems in it. Can't forget to put your battery blanket back on. You can leave it on or off, it doesn't really matter. But a lot of people like to have it on because they don't want to see the battery when they go underneath the hood. Which brings me to another question. If you're getting your car working on, why would you want to go under the hood? Unless it's your particular vehicle, your own vehicle. So that's on like that. Put that back in there. Like so. That back part's gonna sit up in there. Like that. Then you're gonna tighten it down with your 12 millimeter. And the battery terminal that's gonna go on first is, of course, your positive. Open it up like that. Push it down flush. Then, I'll take your 10 millimeter. Might be too, that's just right. Tighten everything back down. Okay, the goal is you shouldn't be able to twist it at all. If you can twist it, that means it's loose. Okay, that's there, and your ground. It's always last. Same thing with positive terminal. You shouldn't be able to twist it or pull it or let it move at all. Then you put your little intake back on. That part just slides in there. just like that. Then it locks back up here in the front. Just pops in like that. And that's it. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.